So guys, I just got back from the mailbox. This is the routine. I don't usually show you. Uh, is the cats checking out the package. I'm not exactly sure who this is even from. Uh, so we will see here. The mailbox, I seen him just walk by, and that's a good indication that, I mean, he's always got to walk by, but whenever he does now, there's always a package in the mail. So, they didn't use any YouTube name, so let's see. Which knife should I use? How about the new Winchester? Let's see. I can't even see the camera. There we go. All right. All right. Cat is very interested. Oh, okay. Gotta know. Now I know who it's from. I had forgot that she had mentioned something. Greetings, my friend Will Hornbuckle. Enclosed, you will find a small token of gratitude for your friendship and kindness to my YouTube channel. I sincerely appreciate your participation in my monthly contest and your engagement, haha, on my channel. So much, your friend CoinKeeper. So this is from CoinKeeper, and now at least I can put a link and stuff like that. I know who it is from. No, I didn't win one of her contests. So this is just she does these appreciation things now where she gives away I imagine silver. That's all she deals in, so well, I guess she's got gold too, but she's gonna be sending me any gold. All right, that's everything in there. I do know what the L stands for in the name now. I didn't when I got the package, but I do. And we'll let her get away with calling me William. All right, so here we are. Tear apart to open. Wow. Wow. Holy cow. Better see if the camera can even see that. Holy cow. Look at that. Wow. Oops, cat. Holy cow. Thank you so much. Man, that feels like an ounce too. I've never had a poured bar. Man, I could walk around with this in my hand all day long. I only wouldn't because I do find stuff metal detecting. I know how easy things are to lose. but I really like it. And holy cow. It's got little skeleton skulls on the bottom. It's 1 ounce. And then this one, she actually got her name. She made these, had these made. Coin Keeper. And also 1 ounce. Holy cow, that's like 2 ounces of silver. Man, thank you very much. These go into my permanent collection. Very kind of you. Thank you. I've actually never gotten a gift before. I've won a ton of contests, but I've never gotten a gift online. It's strange. Let's see if I can pull up your information here. Okay. Yeah. Let's see what the cat's. See if the cat likes it. Kitty approved. Oh yeah. How about that one? Oh yeah. All right, let's go over to here. And here is her channel. Now she does a monthly contest. I never win them. I've never won a contest of hers. Strangely, I always get in them. I always do VRs. I guess that's what she's thanking me for. I mean, I'm just thankful to get into the contests, you know. So I really appreciate that. You went above and beyond what I expected, or I didn't expect anything. So I'm going to read your your little thingy here. I've done so many shout outs for you, so I kind of pick one thing at a time to do. I'm passionate about world history, silver and gold stacking, numismatic, coin collecting, coin roll hunting, metal detecting. I didn't know she was into that. I didn't know she had a Garrett Ace 350 and primarily beach. Architecture, art, and the state of the world economy. I have traveled around the world extensively, attending only 1 year of school in the States before entering college in Southern California. I also enjoy shooting occasionally. I am a military veteran. I invite anyone with these interests to subscribe and support and friendly discussion of learning from each other. I do believe in sub for sub to support one another's channel. I'm an open-minded person and enjoy meeting people with different ideas and interesting hobbies. So that's her about page, and that's pretty nice. That's pretty. She's a pretty thorough person. It's well written. So, and I will end this. It's getting long. Ended on the cat. The cat purring. She's happy. Cat's happy. I'm happy. Silver for each of the cats. The other cat don't give a crap, to be honest. So, all right. Thanks for watching.